With prices starting from just rupees 6,12,800, the Hyundai Exter is one of the most affordable SUVs your money can buy here in the Indian market. While there is only one direct rival trying to find buyers only in the name of safety, in this video we tell you why the Hyundai Exter is a better choice. It was October 2023 when Hyundai announced 6 airbags as standard across their entire model range, redefining safety standards across segments and at different price points. While most manufacturers followed suit, this disruptive move was in the interest of customer safety. Across Hyundai's entire product and variant lineup, features such as 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist control, 3-point seat belts for all, seat belt reminder for all, and tire pressure monitoring system are available to ensure safety. Open up the Hyundai Exter from any side, starting with the door, the boot, or the hood. The way it shuts, it gives you a sense of security that the vehicle is very well built. The build quality also stands out in this particular example we have with us, which has clocked over 16,000 kilometers, and there is no sign of rattle or loose parts. Safety is not just about a crash test, it is also about how your vehicle will last. And the Hyundai Exter throughout our shoot gave us assurance that it is built in a way to offer complete peace of mind. Hyundai's promise of lowest cost of maintenance, 3-year unlimited kilometer warranty, 7-year extended warranty, 3-year roadside assistance, and 5-year shield of trust for running repairs is the most comprehensive package overall as per segment standards. Let us now focus on what this Hyundai Exter offers so that you can enjoy your drive worry-free. But before we do that, you need to know the difference between active and passive safety features. It is quite simple actually. Active safety features are going to prevent an accident from happening, while passive safety features will help in reducing injury or fatality in an unfortunate event of a crash. Hyundai's Exter comes with an airbag for the driver, for the front passenger, along with side and curtain airbags. This ensures safety for all in an unavoidable circumstance. An airbag works as a cushion to reduce impact on occupants, and they inflate very quickly to keep you safe. What is unique to this segment is the dual camera dash cam. Most car users do not realize the importance of this piece of kit. But should there be an unavoidable situation, there is always proof of what really happened to back up your claims. Tire pressure monitoring system keeps you aware if any one specific tire needs attention, so that on long road trips you can drive into the distance without stopping. Also, running ideal tire pressure not only delivers better mileage but best of comfort too. ABS with EBD is a safety net working behind the scenes, ensuring secure braking while maneuvering the Exter. This in a way gives you confidence to stomp on the brakes if you spot an emergency. Like we said before, safety isn't just about a crash test but also ease of use. And the hill start assist control lets the driver lift off the brakes and start rolling effortlessly even on inclines. No unwanted vehicle rollback adds to the confidence of new drivers too. Vehicle stability management ensures that the Exter is in the driver's control over different road surfaces. VSM in general will offer steering assist should the system detect it to be necessary. For effortless parking, the Exter comes with rear parking sensors and a reverse camera with dynamic grid lines. The inside rear view mirror has a day and night setting, and it also features inbuilt telematics switches for SOS, RSA and Hyundai BlueLink. There is more such as keyless entry, headlamp escort function, rear defogger, automatic headlamps, central locking, speed sensing auto door lock, impact sensing auto door unlock, 3-point seat belts for all with reminder, seat belt pretensioner for the front occupants, ISOFIX child seat anchors, engine immobilizer, speed alert system, emergency stop signal and a burglar alarm. Build quality matters a lot, especially if you are planning to hold on to your vehicle for a long time. The Hyundai Exter makes extensive use of advanced high-strength steel and high-strength steel. Thanks to this, the vehicle is not only safe, but it will last for years without any squeaks from the body panels. This also positively helps in reducing the NVH levels inside the cabin, so you can enjoy a quiet drive. The Hyundai Exter is built in a way with expansive application of advanced and high-strength steel to absorb the energy and forces in an event of a crash, so as to keep the occupants safe. Now imagine all of these safety features and tech all packaged within a spacious 5-seater family SUV. Now, is there any better vehicle, especially at this price point? We don't think so. The Hyundai Exter is also very efficient and very reliable, so it is not going to hurt your wallet in the long run. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions about this Hyundai Exter, ask us in the comments below. Do remember to subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel and press that bell icon. Drive safe.